Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hi, my lovely learners. I am so excited to have you for this lesson. Remember, this is still Manifested e-learning platform. I am Teacher Purity. So we are going to learn hygiene and nutrition activities, and our topic for today is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is how we take care of our bodies. And we shall now focus on cleaning different parts, materials we use to clean different parts of our body. And therefore, we shall start with a toothbrush. So, welcome to the lesson and hope that you will enjoy. So our topic is personal hygiene. So we shall learn about materials. Materials used to clean different parts of our bodies. Now, materials used to clean different parts of our bodies. Remember, we are learning personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means keeping our bodies clean. So what are the materials that we use or we require for us to keep or clean the different parts of our bodies? So today we shall start with a toothbrush. So we shall start learning about a toothbrush. Now we use a toothbrush when brushing our teeth. When you want to brush your teeth, you will use what we call a toothbrush. So a toothbrush is an item or a material that we use to clean our teeth. So we use a toothbrush to clean our teeth. We use a toothbrush to clean our teeth, and we do not share toothbrushes. When you share toothbrushes, you can fall sick. So a toothbrush, we use it to clean our teeth. So I want us to see how we clean our teeth or how to brush our teeth. First, while brushing your teeth, there are things that we shall require. So materials required when brushing teeth. Materials required when brushing teeth. First thing you require when you want to brush your teeth, you will need to have the toothbrush itself. So number one, you'll require a toothbrush. You will require a toothbrush. So this is the toothbrush that you are supposed to have. And remember, you are supposed to have your own toothbrush. We do not share toothbrushes. So you will need a toothbrush, and of course on the toothbrush you will apply toothpaste. So you will require toothpaste. The toothpaste you will use it, you will apply on the toothbrush, then use it to brush your teeth. Now this is the toothpaste. You will use it to brush your teeth. Then we also require clean water. Clean water. Why are we using clean water? When brushing teeth, we use clean water. Remember, taking or using dirty water to brush your teeth can make you fall sick. So, can have your clean water, and you have it in a glass or in a container. So, you use the clean water to brush your teeth. So all these are the materials required when brushing teeth. First, you require a toothbrush, your own toothbrush. Then you require toothpaste. You will apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush. And lastly, you will need clean water. So let's go through the steps you follow while brushing your teeth. Now, steps to follow when brushing teeth. When brushing teeth, there is a way you are supposed to brush your teeth. You don't just apply toothpaste on the toothbrush then start brushing your teeth. There are steps, or there is a proper way in which you are supposed to brush your teeth. So the first thing you are supposed to do is apply enough toothpaste on a toothbrush. So the first thing you do is apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush. Apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush. The toothpaste will help you to brush your teeth. Then after you've applied enough toothpaste on the toothbrush, you now, using clean water, you start brushing your teeth from the lower side of your mouth. You start with the lower sides of your mouth to brush your teeth. So the second point, so brush the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner. So after you apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush, you start by brushing the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner. The sides of your mouth are this side and this side. So you brush both sides in a rotating manner. So this is how we brush in a rotating manner. Here is my toothbrush. You brush the sides of your teeth in a rotating manner. This is how you brush it in a rotating manner. Brush this side and you brush the other side. After brushing the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner, you now start by brushing the lower side of your mouth. So the third step is brush the lower side of your mouth. Brush the lower side of your mouth. Now you had already brushed both sides of your mouth, this side and this side. You are now brushing the lower side. You brush the lower side in a rotating manner. You also brush the other side in a rotating manner. After that, you brush the upper side. Brush the upper side of your mouth. Brush the upper side of your mouth. The upper side. Remember in the last step you brushed the lower side. You are now brushing the upper side. You brush it. Remember you are brushing it in a rotating manner. So after you finish cleaning both the lower and upper side of your mouth, you now brush the front part of your mouth. So the fifth step is brush the front part. Brush the front part. The front part of your mouth. Still in a rotating manner. So brush the front part of your mouth in a rotating manner. The front part of your mouth in a rotating manner. So this is how you are supposed to brush the front part of your mouth. So after brushing the front part of your mouth, you now use your clean water to rinse your mouth. So step number 6. Use clean water to rinse your mouth. So use clean water to rinse your mouth. You use clean water to rinse your mouth. And while you rinse your mouth, you spit out the water. Do not swallow the water. Remember, you have been brushing your teeth and your teeth were dirty. So when you swallow the water, you can have stomach ache or even become sick. So use clean water to rinse your mouth. Repeat the steps severally depending on how you brushed your teeth. And lastly, you now clean and store your toothbrush. So the last step is step number 7. Clean and store your toothbrush. So clean and store your toothbrush. After brushing your teeth, you wash your toothbrush and then you store it because you will still need it for another day. So these are the steps that we follow when brushing our teeth. The first step is you apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush. Make sure it is enough. Don't put too much toothpaste or less toothpaste. Step 2, brush the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner. The sides, you brush this side and this side in a rotating manner. The third step is brush the lower side of your mouth. After you brush the sides of your mouth, you now start by brushing the lower side. Then after brushing the lower side of the mouth, you now brush the upper side. And number 5, brush the front part of your mouth in a rotating manner. The front part of your mouth in a rotating manner. And then lastly, use clean water to rinse your mouth. Use clean water to rinse your mouth and make sure that you are spitting out the water. Then after rinsing your mouth, you now clean and store your toothbrush. So we have one of us here. She is going to show us how to brush or clean our teeth. Make sure that you are following the steps because you'll also practice the same at home. So she is Queensley Atieno, and she will show us how we are supposed to brush our teeth following the steps that we have learned. So you require a toothbrush and you apply enough toothpaste on the toothbrush. Remember that a toothbrush is a personal item. You are supposed to have your own toothbrush. So after applying enough toothpaste on your toothbrush, you now start by brushing the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner. The sides of your mouth, this side and this side, in a rotating manner. So she'll show us how to brush the sides of your mouth in a rotating manner. Then, after brushing the side of your mouth in a rotating manner, you now brush the lower side of your mouth. So, the lower side of your mouth. Then, after the lower side of your mouth, you brush the upper part of your mouth. Then the front part of your mouth. So after you brush the lower side, both sides of your mouth and the front part, you now use clean water to rinse your mouth. Yes, you are supposed to spit out the water because it is dirty water. When you swallow it, you'll start to have stomach problems. You can rinse it severally. Yes, you also rinse your mouth because the remains of toothpaste can stick on your lips. So she has finished brushing her teeth. Now you wash the toothbrush. And when washing the toothbrush, you start with washing the bristles. Then after washing the bristle, you wash the handle. Then you also rinse your toothbrush. So how do you store your toothbrush? Let's see how you are supposed to put it. Very good. So that's how we wash and store a toothbrush. You put a toothbrush in a container or a glass while the bristle side is facing upwards. So that is how we are supposed to brush our teeth. Well done, Queensley. So that is how we brush our teeth. Practice the same at home. Make sure that you are following the steps while brushing your teeth. So I am going to give you an activity. Make sure that you perform it back at home. Come in the next lesson, I will ask some questions and I will need you to answer them. So the activity, you'll start, now the first question, write down 3 items you will need when brushing teeth. You write for me the 3 things you will need when brushing teeth. And the second part, practice brushing your teeth. So you will practice brushing your teeth back at home and you follow the steps that we have learned today. So hope to see you in the next lesson. I've been Teacher Purity.